know, you take your take something called as guarantee, like no bank uh, guarantee or some bond that is being used, that and all is being done to ensure that the malpractices is not being carried. And for fire also you have to take enough necessary measures. Then sometimes you have this menace of rodents or termites or something, some kind of this kind of issues and all, no? For this, like no, we do take pest control measures is being adequately done in the stores. Okay, so this is all has been done. So whatever actions that is being take for security measures, closure of stores, handing of keys, making sure the theft is not there, there is no pilferage, any malpractices by the store staffs, prevention of fire, doing adequate pest control will all be a part of this security measures for the staff. Okay, now how are we going now? Stores வந்து secure பண்ணியாச்சு. How are we going to have the organized? Everything needs to be organized. How do we have to organize these stores? You should have a receiving section. Receiving section is the thing, the first when it comes from the vendors, there is a receiving section that happens there. So receiving section la, very importantly, like we already talked about it, centralized, semi centralized, or it is totally decentralized. So we had a receiving section, and there is something called as daily goods receipt register. Daily goods receipt register means like whatever goods that is coming on a daily basis, that will be noted down in the register. And so, see, once when it is received, do you directly take it to the stores? No, you have to check. You, if necessary, you will do this inspection, and all this has to be prepared, right? So only when after being finishing all these things, you will continue the process. Okay, this is called as goods receipt notes or goods invert note. Goods receipt note is like no, after you have checked, after see in the daily goods receipt register, when it comes from the vendor itself, you will make it in the daily goods receipt. இது மாதிரி வந்துருச்சு, goods வந்துருச்சுன்னு சொல்றது daily goods receipt register. But after it has come in, you will check it and then you will inspect it. So once when you check it and inspect it, then only you will put it as goods receipt note, or you will say is goods invert note ulla vandirukku. Else, like, because what we will do is, if it is not proper, or like no, if it is being rejected, we have to send it back. So once when it comes to the goods receipt note or the goods invert, then you come to the stores section. So obviously in the store sections you will be maintaining it. So what all storeroom activities, uh, again when it comes to storeroom, you will be like no, identify what material is that, you will classify it. Again an identification is that material has to be identified, so some code will be given. Then you have to put it in stores. So this is what will be a stores register. So then there again, like no, you will also have a store layout. What is a store layout means? Like we saw in the production when we studied production management. Production management la missions, where the missions, where all this layout போடுவாங்க. Like as simple as it, like no, when you put a building, a drawing plan போடும்போது what happened, you will draw a layout where your hall should be there, where your kitchen should be there, where your dining space, where your bedroom should be there. You just draw it out, right? So similarly we will have something called as a stores layout. Layout like no, where you will have a goods in the side la varano, where it should be in the stores, how it should be placed, where you should have a trolley, where you should like no, before bidding in the sense, before you put an identification code where you will have, so that all will be put in a stores layout. Now you also think about few things before you think about a layout. How much is the material, volume of material that you will have as inventory? What will be the floor and air space? Because depending on the material and depending on the I mean, not the quality or quantity, depending on the characteristics of the material. In the material your characteristics, what is the nature of the material, you will require the floor space and air space, as well as uh, it must be accessible, where you will have the storing equipments, how well protected you will have, all this will be possible. Then we will also do something material identification. I was telling you that they will give you something called as code. The code kudukumbodhu you will be able to identify the material. And how do they identify this material na? You do something called as tagging. Tagging na, like a tag, like you get a price tag, it may be a cloth tag or whatever tag it may be, that in data that will be put and it will be tied to that particular product. Then you will have a label where you can also stick a label, or sometimes people write or paint on it, say putting the dates and some things like no, if it is big iron like no castings and something like that, no, you do something called as embossing. Embossing na adula வந்து print பண்ண மாதிரி like no adula அப்படியே engrave ஆன மாதிரி இருக்கும். So that can be done. Or sometimes some of them put some seal stamping பண்ணுவாங்க. Some of them use color code போடுவாங்க. Or some people use some batching process, so ஒரு batch வந்து group பண்ணி வைப்பாங்க. So to identify a material to which it belongs to, any of this can be done. So they may use a tag, they may use a labeling, they may use some painting, they may, if it is, but it all depends. Again, I tell you, no, say for example, if it's collecting a blood sample, what they do, they just put a label, right? Even there, like no, you have to preserve those blood samples. So if it is an iron cast big like that, you may put a stamp or you may use a paint or something like that. So depending on the type of materials that is being used, what happens is they do all these things. So enna material aduketa mari they will give that material identification. Then you have something called as issue section. So we saw receiving section, we were talking about stores, we will also call as issue section. Issue section means issue like no, people say production people will ask for issue of some materials, and they will have a format like a form like no, which they will place it with the stores, and in turn the materials will be issued. So what will happen, it is just like that issue. When whenever any issue is being done, what will happen, it will be recorded in the bin cards and in the stock control card. Okay, so that will be recorded. And the stores accounting, no, they will have a ledger also in the what has been issued, whether it was authorized, they all check that and only they will issue that. Then stock taking will be done, so you have a separate place, which separate area in a store's layout for stock taking. Inventory valuation, we did talk about a lot of indexes. How do you value the inventory at the end of the year? Hey, என்ன எல்லாம் last minute வந்து join பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? Whoever came late, one by one. Roll number 8, Yashwant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me, sir, what happened, sir? All coming at joining last.
Ma'am, actually, I was looking for the joining information. I didn't get it then, so now
Are
I
you in
was.
the Google Classroom?
I am in the Google Classroom, ma'am, but first I was not able to join from the past 15 minutes. So now I have logged in with my phone and I am joining now, ma'am. I was trying from past 15 minutes already.
Well said, well said. See, Mahesh Kumar has joined. 72, what story you are going to say? See, Jayesh Surana has joined.
Ma'am, no story, ma'am. I did not
No
get the
story,
link,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You did not get the link, ma'am. Hey, how many times, idiot, I tell you the Google link is always available in the Google Classroom. Every time should I will never send link, right? You people see the timetable, you come and join. Almost like it's now 5 or 6. Okay, so that's all about it. Uh, then there's an interrelationship between the stores and the departments, which I want to go through. Okay, I wanted to give you a very important information. Anyhow, at least we have 33 people in here. The representative is here. Lakshit is there. Yes, Lakshit இல்லையா? சரி, okay. சரி, இங்க பாரு. From next class, I have finished almost the 4th unit also. 4 and 5 I have finished. So from next class onwards, whenever you have materials management class, each one have to make a presentation for 5 minutes on any one topic of material management. You have to make a presentation for 5 minutes. Am I making it clear? We will start with roll number 1. we will go in the roll number order. அவ்வளவுதான். இதுக்கு மேல எனக்கு எதுவும் portions இல்ல எடுக்கிறதுக்கு. If you have any queries, you can ask me. So what I want you to do is each one will talk for 5 minutes. Roll number 1 ல இருந்து I'll be going in the order. So next class, when we come for the next class, roll number 1 to 10. Roll number 1 ல இருந்து roll number 10 வரைக்கும் please be ready with your presentations. Make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can someone put it in the group, in your class group? Please put it and make sure you are ready with your presentation. This presentation is not for a joke. This is for your third component, CIA third component. சரியா? CIA third component. CIA 3 will not be a written paper. CIA 3 will be your any of this, like paper presentation or something like that, or any PPTs that you make. So CIA, this is your CIA 3, which will carry some 10-15 marks. Am I making it clear? Hey, கேட்டுச்சா இல்லையாடா? Yes, yes. So from roll number 1 to roll number 10, please be prepared with your presentations for your CIA 3. So henceforth for material management, you will have only CIA 3. Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.